Ready to explore options trading? Schwab provides powerful tools, but understanding the risks and approval process is crucial first. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you must apply for options trading approval in your account settings. Schwab will assess your experience and financial situation, granting a level 1 to 5 that dictates which strategies you can use. Once approved, use the Trade Options tab. You can buy calls or puts, or use multi-leg strategies like covered calls, spreads, or iron condors. The platform shows your potential profit/loss and probability calculations. My crucial pro tip? Start with paper trading. Before risking real money, use Schwab's Paper Money feature on StreetSmart Edge to practice option strategies in a simulated environment. It's the best way to learn the mechanics in Greeks, delta, gamma, etc., without financial consequences. Approach options with education and a clear risk management plan. What's the first option strategy you learned or want to learn? For more guides on advanced strategies, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.